Alright, let's go to Panama. Alright guys, let's go see if we can find Grandma and Dad.
Mama,
No, I'm not hearing it.
let's go see the sea lions.
These are sea lions.
Caitlin.
The ones you're looking at right now. They
No,
sound like they're burping.
Come on.
they are.
No, they're talking.
The one.